Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at mouse hole puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The mouse hole puzzle was made of 4 different types of wood: cherry, garapa, purple heart and American walnut. It has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 3 parts inside the frame in such a way that all openings will be covered and there will be no sticking out parts. And as you can see, the top part can be moved. The correct assembly is going to be when the top part is going to be right in the middle and all openings will be covered, like you can see right now. But that is not the solution, since the third piece is not inside the frame. There are only 2 parts there, so we have to figure out the way how to fit all parts inside. And that is going to be quite a challenge, since there are a couple of restrictions in this part. I'll try to remove parts and show you all of them. That is even difficult to remove parts. I'm not even saying about finding the correct assembly. That's like this. As you can see, this frame has this part covered and this one. That means that you can't use them to fit parts inside, but you can use them to slide the piece under it. So the inside you have 27 voxels, like in a regular 3x3x3 cube. There is no restrictions inside, but you can't use these parts to fit parts inside. But you can use the slider and move it to the left or to the right, so that it's going to be a little bit easier for you to move or to put parts inside. Maybe this slider reminds you Vision Well, another puzzle designed by Alexander Majoric, so it's going to be like a more difficult version of that puzzle. And you have to figure out the way how to fit all these 3 parts, which has different shapes inside, and that's going to be quite a challenge, I would say. If you like mouse hole puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.